Another example of an array formula can be useful. Imagine we're comparing two data sets or two sets of data, and maybe it's, we expect them to be the same, or want to identify if there are differences. We can use an array for that. So equals sum, and we can use an if here. We're going to compare one set in terms of logical test. Is it equal to the other? And if that's the case, if they're equal, we'll say it's 0. Give us a 0. If they're not equal, give us a 1. And let's see, we need to close our parentheses. 2 of those. And notice if I just hit enter, again this is an array form, if I just hit enter, I get a value. So I do need to actually use the Control-Shift-Enter. So there are 3 differences. And just by looking, it's not real clear, or clear to me anyway, which ones those are. To give a better idea of what's going on here, let me go over here. Let's see, we'll create another array, a little formula here. All right, just the inside part. So we'll do is if, not an if really, but kind of an if. Are they equal to one another? It should be an equal. Right, and again Control-Shift-Enter, and it generates true and false. So it's comparing each one if they're given the function here, formula. If that's the case, it says true. Otherwise, it says false for each one. So we can see false there, false there, and false there. Okay. All right, so our if translates every true to 0, every false to 1, and then sums it up. All right. Alternative version shown by Wolkenbach is the following. So another sum, and then another parenthesis there is the following. So again, comparing, but in this case we're going to ask, are they not equal? Are they not equal? Right, and that would generate an array that would be opposite of this over here. So these would be, the trues would be false. However, these items would be true. And what it takes advantage of is the fact that within Excel, a true, if you do a mathematical operation on it, counts as a 1, false is 0. Okay, so imagine just the opposite here. The only thing that's true are these 3. So we should get, again, the value of 3 when we sum these. And I left off maybe too many parentheses there. Okay, yeah, that's what I did. All right, so we get, again, the 3 there.